analyzing socio-political architectural intentions, we'll first look at the social housing community Habitation Saint-Michel, a rehabilitation and urban design project in Montreal conceived of by local firm Espetia. The designers had the stated objectives of opening up the block, keeping the same number of units, remediating the building envelopes, and creating a safer, more community-oriented living environment. Given the 70s built brutalist housing complex, they demolished 6 buildings, creating small public squares in their place. The designers create a shared street along the site's central axis, implementing the Danish Woonarf living street concept to prioritize pedestrian road usage and create space for community activities. See here how they've paid specific attention to the treatment of paving to denote street usage. Additionally, the designers remodeled building facades using patterning inspired by the work of Carlo Cruz Diaz, the contrasting bright color palette cultivating a sense of collective identity. In this precedent, the repetitive form of one generic social housing typology is used to create a connected community through the facade design, shared street, and dynamic spiral staircases. The project imbues a sense of community, serving as a physical and social invitation to the surrounding neighborhood. In contrast, the Borgesvelde social housing project by Meta Architecture Bureau is located in the less dense rural suburbia of Belgium. Designed with the intention of creating a better quality of life for residents by connecting them with green space, the project uses 3 distinct residential typologies to take advantage of the unbuilt site and its opportunity for light and views. These 3 main typologies being the terraced houses, linked houses, and solitary multifamily apartments. These 3 typologies use various forms and oriented geometries, yet maintain a sense of cohesion by featuring consistent elements such as window widths, projections, and facade detailing. The repetition and patterning of various distinct forms throughout this project gives it a collective identity. While the project is bound within a green belt, distinguishing it from the surrounding residential area is more importantly bound by the designated communal green space, a park equipped with a soccer pitch and garden plot, a physical void that serves to connect the community. In the local precedent, the shared street and public squares bind the individual residences, creating community space and connecting them to the surrounding neighborhood. In contrast, the international project aims to connect residents through undefined green space, but there isn't strong evidence of this. For this reason, the social architectural intention is better articulated through the design of Habitation Saint-Michel and its connection of residences and community space.